Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Movers Report for October 27th, 2011. First we're taking a look at LOGI, gapping up, last is at 1050 right here. Had a high of around 1058, and we've gapped up over resistance around 920. So we look to take this short off the open on a new low. First profit target is going to be 10 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 20 cents. Watch this 1040. If this pulls back and we do end up opening closer to 1040, I would wait for a break of 1040 before taking the short. So even though the open is 1045 possibly, you might run into some support at 1040, bounce and stop you out. So I want to make sure we break that 1040, take this short, hit your profit targets, and then trail a stop. Watch $10 for strong support. If you get a weak bounce and it consolidates at 10, it could break 10 and give another nice move down into 980, possibly 960. Next we have DB. Last is at 45.76. High has been around 46.61. Gonna have some support at 45.17 and 45. Gonna look to take this short off the open on a new low. First profit target is gonna be 45 cents from your entry. Second profit target is gonna be 90 cents. Got support here at 41.13. Watch it at 43 and 44. I'm thinking 44.50 to 44 is gonna be a good area for your last target. Just see how it acts at 44. You might want to get tight on your stop. Could see a bounce from there. If it's a weak bounce on 44 or it goes flat, look for that break below 44 and you could get another 40 to 50 cents out of this on the short side. Now we're looking at RBS. Last is at 911. A high of around 923 and gapped up over the resistance line here about 815. So we're going to look to take this short on the open on a new low. So wait for it to break below to a new low of the day. I'd give it about 2 to 3 minutes. First profit target is going to be 9 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 18 cents. If it opens closer to 9, wait for a break below 9 before taking the short. And then just hit your profit targets here and here as you're coming down. And then trail a stop on your last piece. I would try to get into this 860 to possibly 850 area on your last piece. Try to be patient. And also keep your eye on the market. If you see some more selling and some breaking of support levels in the markets, then try to be more patient and give this a little more room to come down. Next we have CFX. Last is at 23.87, so right about here. Gapping up over 21.30. Going to look to take this short on a new low off of the open. This could bounce a little bit up into 24, so if it opens and moves up, just set your alert at the open. See if it'll turn over later in the morning or even in the afternoon. Take it short. First profit target is going to be 23 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 46 cents. Watch 23 for support here, 22.50 and possibly 22. And again, depending on what kind of day we have in the markets, this could come down into this 22.50 to 22 area, possibly even closing the gap. And now we're looking at AKAM. You can see resistance line here, about 24.80 to 25. So a couple areas of resistance here. Gapped up aftermarket. So try to turn over, pull back to about 26.53. The highs have been about 27.27. Consolidating pre-market and looking strong. So we're going to look for a break above this 27.30 or a new high of the day off the open. Take this long. First profit target is going to be 27 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 54 cents. Watch 28 and then possibly 29 for your last target on that trade. And our last trade is BCS. We have resistance here right around 12.12 and was in a consolidation range here. Breaking out, getting a little bit of a pullback. We're going to look to take this long off the open on a new high. It could pull back a little bit more after it opens. So if it does, just set your alert near the high of the day. If it bounces and breaks through to the new high of the day, take this long. First profit target is going to be 13 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 26 cents. Watch this 13.50s for some possible resistance and then into 14. Really, I would try to make 14 your target on your last piece if we get a trending day up, especially if we have a strong day in the markets, and just kind of try to ride it up close to that 14. Might fail a little bit before 14, so just be alert of that and tighten your stop or just hit your target there just under 14. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.